What drove the content? Well, I was biased to CIS. That's how some of our conversations started, and so are some of the other people in part of the working group. But one of the things that we ran into really fast was CIS is very much a focuses on technical safeguards, which is great for CIS, right? We are not CIS for MSPs. We love the technical safeguards. Like I can solve MFA, I can solve for DHCP or audit logging, fill in the blank. But where we really lacked, and you can see it on the slide, were areas of things like governance and leadership, physical and environmental. Those are a couple of the key areas that we just didn't have coverage for. So that started us on a journey of what are the types of safeguards that we need. And rather than just blindly, pick a framework and then point the finger at whatever domain category, we started looking at insurance questionnaires, the ones that are being put on your desk by your clients or by your insurance, and going, do we have the right safeguards so that when an MSP does the trust mark, that they would be able to confidently satisfy the questions that they're being asked in those questionnaires. And that slowed us down really fast. So if you think about a simple one, or I shouldn't say simple, think about a question like, do you have MFA? In the Trustmark right now, I think there are 3, if not 4 specific questions surrounding MFA for very different types of access within your environment or to external systems. Well, if you see an insurance questionnaire, most of them might just have the one question, do you have MFA? So we're seeing questions come up on these questionnaires, and we're having to go through the entire set of safeguards that we already had and go, how many of these have to be satisfied before that question gets satisfied in that questionnaire? And then we started running into things like, I don't have an answer to that question. Where can I go find it and plug it in so that we have that as well? And so